Hello, my beautiful people. Today is Memorial Day. Please thank all the veterans you know, and remember those who didn't come back. So, got my Tamed Wild box, which I was expecting much earlier in May, because they've moved to a seasonal box, which was supposed to be 3 months, and then it comes with a workbook, and I sent a bunch of emails, and I didn't get my box, and I didn't know what was happening, but the box came today. June is in 2 days. I'm like, what am I going to do with the month of May? But they did send a letter that explains that, pretty much they didn't anticipate, different problems and blah, blah, blah. And that they learned a lot. They learned a lot from their transition, and asked everybody to be kind and patient. So we're going to do that. And we're not going to hold that against whatever's in this box. Clearly I'm not going to be able to use the workbook for May, but it's all right. World peace is a problem. So it's a big box. It's nice and meaty, and it looks kind of full. It's heavy. So there's the big box. So it looks kind of full. So let's dig in. I wanted to do this unboxing. I've had a crazy weekend of backpacking and bagpiping and making a full Scottish breakfast, and holy Hannah, I'm tired, but I want to do this because I want to unpack the box. So you get a little sheet of all the things in it. We're going to put that aside and look at that later. Right, so the first thing I see is, oh, this is pretty. This is a little bag, embroidered. It says magic on it. So that's pretty. I suppose you could put cards or crystals or rune stones in here if you wanted to. That's pretty. Let's see, what's this? I have no idea. It's a little bag. They have the cutest little stickers, though. Super cute. And this, what's in here? What's in this magical bag? I have absolutely no idea what this is. It's a bunch of little beads. Oh. Oh, God. Beads everywhere. There are beads everywhere. It's a tassel and beads. I think you make something with this. There's string in here. I think this is an arts and crafts project. Oh boy. The beads are pretty. You can't really see them. And they're falling all over the floor. So I have to... they should probably have put a warning on this envelope that there were loose, tiny beads that you would have to contend with, because I have cats, and I have a feeling some of these fairly tiny beads are going to be coming out in some poo, because I'm never going to see them. I mean, this is how tiny it is. I don't know if you could see that, but that's a very itty-bitty bead, and some of them are now stuck in my computer. And they've gone all over the place. So, yeah. So there's tiny little beads, and then there's a tassel. I am assuming that... See that one on the floor too? Well, one's on the floor. I wish you the best in the digestive tract of my cat. And then there's like a string that goes with it, and a metal thing, and I don't know if that's supposed to be together or not, but if it was, it didn't come assembled. So that is the arts and crafts project, and we will see. I can't see things that little, so this might be an arts and crafts project that goes to Sadie. Alright, let's see what else is in here. A cute little sticker. I have no idea what that's for, but I imagine I'll find out. Let's see, what do we have? There's a little bag. And what's in the little bag? In the little bag is sunstone. That's pretty. And it has it's an abundance stone. Independence and confidence while revealing hidden talents. Well, I hope my hidden talents are assembling small beads into jewelry, because I don't have that talent now, for sure. Alright, what else we got? Botanical hair rinse. Contains calendula, rose, and jasmine flowers. I don't know that I'll use this because I have naturally curly hair, and it's a little uncontrollable and out of control 99.9% of the time. But I like, you know, I like things like this for other people, just with my hair. Alberta VO5. That does the trick. All right. Oh, jasmine body oil. Contains sweet almond oil and jasmine essential oil. And that's a really nice, generous bottle of it, too. So, and there's a little dropper. I don't know what you do with it. I guess you drop it on your body. That could be an arts and crafts project. Oh, there's a big thing here. That big thing. Look when there's big things. Oh, what is this? Oh, all good things are wild and free. There's a quote from Henry David Thoreau on here. If you know, I teach literature and I teach the American Romantic period, and Henry David Thoreau is one of my guys. There's tape to befuddle me. Oh, I don't like how the tape ruins the container. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's organic nettle leaf. Oh. Nettle is like the best thing for you, so that is awesome. I don't know what I'll do with that. Maybe make tea, I guess. All right, what else we got? Ooh, we have a cool bottle. Little bottle. That's cool. What else we got? Oh, legit. There's a neroli and white jasmine candle. Ooh, and it smells really good. That is nice. Small spells. There's like a little spell deck here. As you know, I'm not a witch, so I don't do spells, but I'll pass that along to some of my witchy friends. What else we got in here? And then we have the May. This is the seasonal workbook for May, June, and July. Seeing as May is over in 2 days, I won't do the workbook for May, but I'll have it for June and July. So, and I'll see what was meant for May. And you know, you can do these kind of workbooks and spells and rituals. You can do them anytime. Because why? You're a grown adult, and you can do things anytime you want to do them. But let's take a look at it, shall we? I like the quality of the workbook. I will say that sometimes you get these kind of things and they're real flimsy. This is like good paper. Let's see. They have seasonal ritual, dark moon ritual, full moon ritual, working with phases of the moon, welcome to May, the calendar for May, welcome to the month of May, and then like all the stuff for May. But then you get to June. Oh, and it's like a little diary. So today I'm grateful for, today I'm releasing. My intention for today is, my mantra is today. So really, like and that's the same for every page. So honestly, you could just scratch out the dates because, you know, there's nothing, you know, welcome to the month of June. There's like information about the month of June, but really, like, you didn't miss too much with the first month. And they have like the goddesses you can work with and intentions that you can put in. And, oh, they talk about the Celtic tree calendar, which is hawthorn and oak for June. So that's cool. I mean, they have really good information. So even though it's like a month late, because it would have been helpful if this arrived before May 1st, they're going to improve that in the future. And it's a nice workbook. And as a teacher, I like a good workbook. All right, so I think that's everything from the box. Just make sure. Oh, wait, no. Oh, one more thing. Oh, that's cool. In this box is very cool little tower. That's funky. You can't really see the coloring, but it's really pretty. All right, that's nice. I think that's everything now, but let's check the map. Okay. We have the small spells deck, which is this. We have the beeswax candle, or scented soy wax candle. So that's this. This is legit my favorite thing. And these candles, by the way, are pretty expensive if you buy them one-off. So I can't remember how much this box is seasonally, but I will say that just roughly speaking, this is worth what you pay for it. because I refuse to get a box that is ridiculously priced. So, oh, it's got little calendula in the top, and it really does smell good. Oh, but apparently that doesn't have, I don't know what that is. It's neroli or jasmine flakes on the top. Jasmine body oil, which, like I said, very generous portion. Sometimes you get the oils and it's like this little tinky thing, but that's generous. An herb for ritual. Receive one of their herbs. I'm assuming that I got nettle. I'm thinking that's what that is. Rainbow Moonstone Tower, that's this, which is very nice, I will say. I like that a lot. Glass herb jar, so that's, you put your herb in, whatever herb you got. Magic embroidered tarot bag. So that was this, which is legit embroidered. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. A seasonal workbook, which is a nice workbook. Pagan prayer bead kit includes 27 mala beads, nylon tassel and wire, spacers. This kit allows you to craft your own pagan prayer beads. Wow. I will say I'm probably not going to make it. I'm probably going to give that to my niece Sadie, but I do like when there's arts and crafts stuff involved, because it really, you get to like really personalize your intention. I will never be able to see those beads, so they will all fall on the floor. And she has a baby, so maybe I need to find an older witch. If you're an older witch and want that, let me know. I will send it to you. Botanical hair rinse, which we have. Calendula. You'll know calendula for, oh, these are the herbs that you could have gotten. Calendula, jasmine. Calendula, jasmine, and rose. I didn't get that. Tumbled sunstone, I got that. I got this sandstone, but I didn't get, it says calendula, jasmine, and rose. I didn't get that. Unless, oh, that's what's in the hair. Oh, I can't read. That's what's in the hair rinse. This is the herb for the month. You put the herb of the month in the bottle. You put this sticker. Let's see how it goes now. Sticker on there, and you write the name of it, which is nettle, which actually is my favorite. One of my favorites. It's really good for a lot of things. So, I will say that this is definitely worth what you pay for it. I think they'll get their act together with figuring out the timing for the booklets and stuff. And really, they don't need to date them necessarily. But, you know, it's helpful to have, like, the months and stuff in it. You know, maybe, you know, I don't think anybody from Tamed Wild is going to be watching this. But what I would say is, why don't you just come out with, like, a book of all the kind of things for the month for the year, like different things for the month, and then each month send a workbook to work in. You know, and then you have, like, sort of that master book and then your workbook. That would probably solve the problem of shipping, you know, or something like that. You know, in exchange for free boxes, I could totally help you with that. Being a professor for 1,000 years. Anyway, I love it, and I'm going to sniff this candle for the rest of the night. I don't want to burn it because it's so pretty. Definitely, I would say that it's geared towards witchcraft, if that's what you're into, or a magical practice. I'm not a witch, so I don't identify with those parts of this stuff, but I definitely really, really think it's worthwhile, and I identify with enough of it that I don't feel like it's a waste of my money. So, definitely looking forward to their improved shipping, but the products themselves, not gonna lie, kind of loving them. So, I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.